Hi guys! In this video, I am going to show you how to download Counter-Strike on your PC or laptop. Counter-Strike 2 is a popular multiplayer shooter game, so let's get started. First, open any web browser on your laptop and search for Steam. Steam is an official game store where you can download and play games easily. Now click on the official Steam website link in description. Once the website opens, click on Install Steam at the top right corner. Then click Install Steam again to start the download. Wait for the download to complete. After that, go to your Downloads folder, open File Explorer, and double-click on the Steam setup file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions, and once it's installed, open Steam. Now sign into your account or create a new one. After logging in, click on the search bar and type Counter-Strike. Click on the game, then scroll down, click the Add to Library. Your game will add it to Library. Go to Library, click at the top, and find here your game, click on it. And click Install. And select Location you can space available, and click Install. That's it! You have successfully downloaded Counter-Strike on your PC.